Did you know that there is a nuclear training reactor in the middle of Gainesville? We're here to find out more. Tell us a little bit more about where we are today.
Right now, we're in one of the laboratories adjacent to the nuclear reactor, the research reactor that's in the central campus part of the University of Florida. Most of the time we use the reactor for teaching students. We bring classes in here and show them how the reactor works. We also have a program, a student reactor operator licensing program. Students can come in here and work side by side with staff members and then take a federally administered exam, that is by the United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission, and become licensed as nuclear reactor operators.
And why is it important to have this reactor here?
This is the only research nuclear reactor in the state of Florida, so it's a unique asset for people both at the university and for the people of the state of Florida.
What makes it different here than maybe at other training reactor facilities in the nation?
We have got a wide variety of expertise available for people that want to come here and use the reactor facility. There's many different types of things that the faculty members are involved in, and we have overlapping skill sets that we can all bring to the table. It impacts other people. There's the faculty members here, and the University of Florida has got a program. It's a nuclear security program in collaboration with many other facilities throughout the United States, such as national laboratories and other universities.
What does it mean for students here to have this nuclear reactor here on campus?
The students actually can benefit greatly by this. Particularly the ones that I'm thinking of right now are the ones who go through our reactor operator licensing program. They get reactor operator licenses, and this tells a lot about a student, about their trustworthiness and about their ability to learn to do very challenging and complex tasks. And when they graduate, they are solid gold. These people have job offers the minute they get their degree and walk out the door.